Hi guys, I'm Moyen from Joyous Balloon. Today I'm going to show you how to twist this balloon flower bouquet with chrome balloons. There will be 3 stalks of flowers and a bow in this balloon flower arrangement. I hope you like my balloon tutorial and click the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for future video. Let's get started. I'm going to demonstrate how to do a basic balloon flower. So today I'm using the chrome 260. We will need 3 of these 5 petals flower balloon. Chrome, insert in 1 finger. So this have to insert a bit more. Then we have more holding space. Inflate 3, 4. Alright, left like 3, 4 finger. 4 finger spacing. Tail and then tie here. Okay, we are good to go. Alright, so bend, hold, 5 finger, press and turn. Alright, then we can turn. Okay, then pull the nozzle, tuck it back in and pull back this way. Alright, so the nozzle will stay and we are good so that it wouldn't come undone. Alright, next bend, hold, turn. Okay, then mark the size, turn it. Bend down, mark the size, turn it. Okay. Bend down, mark the size we need, 5 finger, turn again. So at the end, we want to burst the balloon, alright? So we can make a small bubble and burst off this way. Okay, let go. So that is the flower that we have got. Okay, so that is the flower. Sun come in. The sunbird is sucking nectar. Okay, so that is the. I'm going to do the stalk of the green balloons. Insert it in. Green balloon, we can pump more. Alright, left like 2-3 finger at the back. Bob the balloon a bit. Okay. Tie. Then do a small 2 finger bubble. Insert into the balloon. Press it in like this. So then we can pull the nozzle, pull back. Okay, so I've got that. So that is one. I'll do the leaves. So I do a Z. Hold it at the center and turn. 1 round, 2 round, and we are good. Alright. So one flower is done. Okay. So now I'll continue with some more stalks. Alright. I'll combine them together. The video will continue to illustrate twisting of the next balloon flower. You may want to fast forward this a bit until you see the second flower stalk is formed. The second stalk is longer than the first stalk so that they will be able to sit side by side neatly. In flower arrangement, we always like to have difference in height so that the flower turn out to be pretty. Insert it in, pull back, insert it in again. Okay. So the back flower. So I have 2 now. Okay, after that pull the nozzle in, insert in between. There we go. Right. That's how to manage this balloon. The not so clean one, keep it inside. So you should get something like this. Alright. So the petal, the flower leaves, right? I will see where should it go. Looking good, right? I have to leave here, right? Okay, here, right? Here just now, so I just mark it where I want to turn it. Okay, there you go. Shake the leaf. Toot toot. One, two. Okay. Gorgeous, isn't it? Right, so now I'm good. Next, I'm going to do some more on the bow, okay? Let me work on it. I'll use a red. And this red. It's a little bit tricky at times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a little. Like left 8 finger. Tail. Okay, there you go. I do a bow, soften the balloon. How many finger? 7 finger tail, 7 finger. Then do like 5 finger loop, 5 finger loop again. I don't like the sound. Alright. Then do a pinch twist. Sound disturbs me. Okay. Could burst any time, oh, don't burst again, please. Don't burst, please. Okay. Then I will wrap it. So this is the bow I come out with. So wrap it at the handle. Alright, this way. Wrap it, okay. Then squeeze away some air because I'm not enough air. Just turn. Alright, then I'm good. Alright, so I can just tidy up the bowl a bit, alright, with the excess stuff. Yay! So this is the bouquet of flowers that I come out with today. Hopefully you like it. If you like my sculpture, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again next time. Bye!